Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MLA format in an essay. Start by setting 1-inch margins and choosing a readable 12-point font. Use double spacing everywhere and indent the first line of each paragraph 1/2 inch. Add a header with your last name and page number in the top right. Create a clear title without underlining or bolding. Prepare a works cited page for all sources. When you quote or paraphrase, use parenthetical citations that show the author and page number. Place the citation after the punctuation if the material is a sentence fragment. For sources without page numbers, include just the author or title. If no author exists, use a shortened title in quotation marks followed by a page number when available. Keep citations concise and consistent so readers can find the full entry on the works cited page. Start your works cited on a fresh page titled Works Cited centered at the top. List entries alphabetically by author surname and use a hanging indent of 1/2 inch for each entry. Include full details, author, title, publisher, and publication medium when required. For articles, include journal title, volume, issue, and page ranges. For online sources, include the URL only if required by your instructor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.